Land cost truly equivalent to $1.5550 a coin in a truly significant manner. The present exchanged cost range, 1.5490-1.5840. Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 1.5720 in an unobtrusive way. The change explicitly was 0.0170, 1.08%, which especially is genuinely critical. Converse rate, United States dollars to Luna, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Land value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Land cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $1.44, fundamentally greatest 1.54, certainly least 1.34 in an unobtrusive way. Land gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $1.44, truly greatest 1.54, really least 1.34, which especially is genuinely critical. Land cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $1.47, most certainly greatest 1.57, especially least 1.37, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. Land figure on Thursday, walk 9, cost $1.45, essentially most extreme 1.55, least 1.35, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Land cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $1.44, essentially most extreme 1.54, genuinely least 1.34 in a fundamentally large way. In multi-week land gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost $1.46, especially greatest 1.56, in every way that really matters, least 1.36 in an unobtrusive way. Land cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $1.42, truly greatest 1.52, genuinely least 1.32, showing how the change generally was 0.0170, 1.08%, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Land figure on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $1.40, especially greatest 1.50, kind of least 1.30 in an essentially significant manner. Land cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $1.40, genuinely greatest 1.50, beautiful least 1.30, which in a real sense is very critical. Land conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $1.38, really greatest 1.48, fundamentally least 1.28, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In about 14 days land cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $1.34, for the most part greatest 1.43, least 1.25 in an exceptionally significant way. Land conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $1.36, genuinely greatest 1.46, sort of least 1.26, all things considered. Further appearance how land estimate on Friday, walk 17, cost $1.38, really most extreme 1.48, exceptionally least 1.28, which truly is very huge. Land cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $1.32, genuinely most extreme 1.41, certainly least 1.23, which in every practical sense is very critical. Land estimate on Thursday, walk 23, cost $1.30, kind of most extreme 1.39, truly least 1.21, which truly shows that very backwards rate. United States dollars to Luna, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Land cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $1.35, beautiful most extreme 1.44, sort of least 1.26, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks land gauge on Monday, walk 27, cost $1.27, sort of most extreme 1.36, least 1.18, certainly further appearance how land figure on Friday, walk 17, cost $1.38, sort of greatest 1.48, truly least 1.28 in a kind of large manner. Land cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $1.36, in every way that really matters, most extreme 1.46, especially least 1.26, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Land gauge on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $1.38, kind of most extreme 1.48, really least 1.28. Land cost forecast on Thursday, walk 30, cost $1.39, truly greatest 1.49, least 1.29, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Land gauge on Friday, walk 31, cost $1.36, really most extreme 1.46, sort of least 1.26, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about a month, land cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $1.36, by and large greatest 1.46, especially least 1.26, so in 3 weeks land estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost $1.27, for the most part greatest 1.36, least 1.18, further appearance how land conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $1.38, lovely most extreme 1.48, fundamentally least 1.28, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Land figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost $1.43, kind of most extreme 1.53, certainly least 1.33 in an especially enormous way. United States dollars to Luna conversion scale, sort of equivalent to 0.6431 coins per $1 amazingly. Today's reach, 0.6313 0.6456, which especially is genuinely critical. The past day's nearby, 0.6361, or so they by and large thought. Change for now plus 0.0070, plus 1.10%. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Dollar to land conjecture on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.694 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.746, really least 0.649, which essentially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Luna expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.694 coins, genuinely greatest 0.746, in every way that really matters. Least 0.649 in an essentially significant way. Dollar to land figure on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.680 coins, essentially greatest 0.730, especially least 0.637 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. United States dollars to Luna expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.690 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.741 in every practical sense. Least 0.645 in a kind of significant way. Dollar to land figure on Friday, walk 10, cost 0.694 coins, sort of most extreme 0.746, beautiful least 0.649 in a kind of huge manner. In multi-week United States dollars to Luna expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.685 coins, really greatest 0.735, kind of least 0.641. Which certainly is very critical. Dollar to land estimate on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.704 coins, certainly greatest 0.758, truly least 0.658 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Luna expectation on Wednesday, walk 15, cost